To adjust home screen grid on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to display more apps and widgets, long tap on an empty area on the home screen and then tap Setting. Tap Home Screen Grid. By default, your phone uses 4x6 grid, which means on a single home screen, you can display up to 24 apps icon. So if you'd like to be able to show more apps and widgets on a single home screen, set the home screen grid to a bigger value. Select this grid and then tap the button to save the selection and apply it to your phone. As you can see, now the app icons on your home screen become smaller. It's because your home screen is now using a bigger grid, in this case 5x6, which means you can display up to 30 apps icon on a single home screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.